Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be covering the ByteSheets and the ByteSheet method and how you can get started with ByteSheets. ByteSheets are my way of teaching because we are in a post-AI era now, post-university, post-books, and our ways of learning have to be a bit different. So instead of slogging through hours of YouTube videos or hours on a course, or you look at having to read a lot of books, you can just use a single ByteSheet, and each ByteSheet will help you understand a particular skill. Each ByteSheet is actually a self-contained project that you could work through. So each ByteSheet is numbered. At the top, you'll see the number of the ByteSheet. You will see what topic we are working on, the level. So this is basic. We can go from basic to having what I call the ascent level, and it is indicated by the amount of cups. So you'll see 1, 2, or 3 cups, and it will kind of indicate the difficulty. Each ByteSheet has a one-line insight for engineers. So if you're already experienced, you can kind of just use the one-line insight and you won't really have to get much information from elsewhere. There's also a beginner tip. So if you're new to Python, new to programming, new to whatever skill it is I'm teaching you, you'll be able to understand from the ByteSheets. This source box here actually will have the code that you're looking to write. So whatever code it is, it'll have the name of the file, in this case main.py. Because the Python ByteSheet series is designed to be extremely self-contained, each sheet will only have a main.py. And you'll also see a terminal on the bottom here. So this is, when you run stuff in a terminal, what the terminal expect the terminal output to look like. It isn't done for all, but for a lot of the especially the easy examples, you will see the terminal output matching exactly what the ByteSheet is stating. There's also a little explanation on the side so that you'll be able, this is like a traditional, book or a traditional page, but instead of having dozens of pages, I kind of pull the most important concepts and put it on one area of the page. Usually how this will go is, you look at whatever topic you want to learn. If you experience, look at the one-line insight, then you look at your code example, you'll run it, and it should match the output of your terminal. If you're completely new, you look at the topic, or you look at the beginner step, and then you'll read a little bit about it as much as you need to kind of understand and grasp the topic so you can do further research. So each sheet is actually a self-contained project. It's like a book, a tutorial, and a reference all in one. So it's very easy to use and very simple. I have 80 such ByteSheets. You can pick up the entire set, and I walk you through from very basic to very advanced concepts in the Python ByteSheet series. And this is how we use our Python ByteSheets. So if you're a complete newbie, this is how I suggest you learn. I had a video previously where I walked through using how you set up your command line, how you set up your tools and stuff like that. So I assume you have your text editor installed and you also have Python installed. So this is why I recommend you use the ByteSheet. So you'll have the ByteSheet on the right side of your screen. On the left side, you'll have your text editor and you'll split the screen half and half. So we look, we read, we see what this particular sheet is discussing. And then on our terminal, we see they said pip install request. So we'll do pip install request. Mine is already installed. Do you still see our output? And at the bottom, we'll expect to see the successfully installed request. Now we'll do another sheet. So let's say the hello world. This is our main file. So you'll see this is our main.py, which is the file we have here. We have a comment which says prints hello world. And then we'll print hello world. Type Control S to save. Do the Python main.py again. And we see hello world as our output on the bottom here. Now if we want to find what's happening, we see that program and starts talking to your screen, say hello with print. That's our beginner tip. Now if you're an engineer already, you have experience in a language, You'll see this is the classic first step, right? Print it to the console using print. And for a beginner, you might want to learn a little more about Python. So you'll see Python files ending in the py extension, and it describes what you expect to see in your terminal, some other stuff to do, and a note on comments, which is this comment here. And if we look, we see our terminal is the same output we have in our terminal. So this was a mini project, and you have a lot of such projects, so you learn by hands-on doing. It's a very hands-on experience. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for learning about my ByteSheets, and I hope to see you all in the next video.